Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in. I am Jaden, your Houston real estate agent. Now today I'm out in Conroe, Texas, and what I'm doing today is I'm going to do an exclusive preview of a model home that's scheduled to open next week. Now, this model home is built by Westin Homes and has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It's a little bit over 3,600 square feet. Now, this home comes standard with 3-car garage, but this one is kitted out with the extra car garage, so it has a total of 4. Let me turn it around so you can take a look at it. Okay, take a look at the outside of the home here. This side here is 2-car garage, and this comes standard with the home. However, here's the front courtyard, and on this side is an optional 2-car garage for a total of 4. And on this side here, it does not connect to the actual home. There's a separate door where you have to come out and then go in the front door to access the home. Let me show that to you real quick. It's around here on the side. And there goes the door. And once again, this is a model home, so right now it has the plants and stuff. But however, once you buy it, it will not have that. It will have a walking path coming through to the front door. So let's take a look inside the house. Okay, as you come in, as you see straight ahead is another set of doors that lead you out to the courtyard. We'll take a look at that here real soon. First, if you pan here to the left, let me zoom out a little bit. This is the hallway with the bedrooms. And there are 3 bedrooms here, 2 secondary bedrooms and a master. Let's take a look at this one first. And I do apologize, I do not have the size of this room handy, but it is a good size for a secondary bedroom. Coming through here is the Jack and Jill bathroom. This is the sink for this bedroom. This is the closet for this bedroom. And here's the door that leads to the bathtub and the toilet. And if you continue through, you will get to the sink for the other bedroom that's attached to the same bathroom. There's their sink. And come through here, here's the other bedroom rather. And both of these bedrooms are similar in size. It comes with a ceiling fan in this one. All right, so if you take a walk all the way down this hallway here, this is where you'll get to the primary bedroom. Okay, now we're in the primary. Now, like I was saying, this is an exclusive tour. They're not quite done setting up yet. So this bedroom's not finished. As you can see, the bed has not been put together yet. But you can take a look at the room size. It's a pretty good size room. You have 3 windows looking out the back. All right. Let's take a look at the bathroom. This is one of my favorite parts of this home. So as you enter the bathroom, you can see here you have, let's see, looks like 24 by 48 towel. And I believe that towel, the same size towel goes throughout the home. Take a look here. You have a standalone bathtub. And you have 2 separate sinks. There's a his and a her side. Take a look at there. Looks like it has the LED lighting underneath. It's the mirror. All right, and here you have the water closet. And over to the side, it's the shower. Okay, and here's the closet. It's split into 2 separate halves. On this half, looks like this. Pretty good size. And here's the other half. I believe it's around the same size. Yes, so will be no fights over who has the bigger closet, because it looks like they're about the same. All right, coming back out of the bathroom. Bedroom. And go back down this hall. Let's take a look at the living room here. No, actually, before we hit the living room, let's take a look at the dining room. They have a wine wall, which is beautiful. It doesn't come standard, but I believe it's an option. You can have it done. This is the dining here. It doesn't have the table in yet. It's the chairs, and there goes the wine wall that I was talking about. I love the way they did that with the real stone behind it. Oh, that's beautiful. Look there, chandelier. And you take a look here. Here's the living room. That fireplace, the electric fireplace, is spectacular. It looks like it's about 72 inches there. And I love the way they built this into it. Instead of just bringing the wall all the way down, they added a little design to it. It's the living room. All right, before we get into the kitchen, let's go down this hallway here. Right here, I believe this is just a storage closet. Yes, that is correct. Hang some coats in there or something. Here's your laundry room. Built-in cabinetry. I'm not sure the cabinetry comes standard. All right, and over here is your fourth bedroom. All right, let's take a look at this closet. All right, fourth bedroom here. Nice, I love the lighting. Plenty of light in this room. Here's the attached bathroom. It's a sink. There will be a mirror there. Just haven't gotten around to putting that in yet. And walk-in shower there. Okay, let's take a look here. Here goes your mud room, which is right off the garage, the two-car garage. We'll take a look at that in a second. But before we do, let's take a look here. What is this? Okay, it's another storage closet. Perfect. So you come in the garage, you have a closet right there to hang your coat. All right, and here goes the two-car garage. This is the attached one, as you can see here. The fact that it has the big windows there, it's very light. All right. All right, let's take a look at the kitchen. Wow, this island is huge. It appears to be 8 feet by 7 foot. Now, I don't know if that's standard. It looks like to me, and my guess would just be this part here on the there would be standard, but I'm not for sure. But either way it go is beautiful. I love the cabinetry with the LED lighting. The fact that they put in the two-tone with the brown at the bottom and the light gray at top, the gold hardware. We got the double KitchenAid ovens with the matching KitchenAid refrigerator. Let's take a look here. I believe this is the trash can. Yeah, pull out trash can. Soft close on the trash can. Let's see if it has soft close on the actual drawers. No, it does not. And the KitchenAid cooktop looks like it's 48 inches. And here's the pantry. All right. Now let's take a look outside. I love the fact that you have 3 different ways to access the outside. You have this door here. You have sliding doors there. And then around the corner, when we first came in, there's a double door right there. So that's very convenient. All right, here. Plenty of room out here. It looks like they have 2 huge ceiling fans on this part, another one over there. So you should be able to stay nice and cool in those hot summer days. Love the landscaping here. All right, let's go back inside. Okay, right here we have the powder room. Oh, I love the mirror and it's not real stone, but it looks nice. It's not sure what it is, but it looks really nice. With the lights up there, the floating vanity. Nice. All right, let's take a look here. Here's the office with the barn doors, sliding. Looks like they're opaque. I'm pretty sure those are not standard. And here is the office. Pretty good size. And let's take a look and see what they have to offer. So this is actually the Sonoma right there that we're in right now. And it's 3,674 square feet. And this is actually the smallest home they build. If you could take a look here, all the other homes they have available, that's the smallest. Spin around here, and the biggest is 4,112 square feet. So it's a pretty good variety there. Looks like there's 8 different models you could choose from, and 4 of them are, no, actually 5 of them are 2-story, and then 3 of them are single-story homes. Okay, let's take a look here at the game room. Has the double doors going in. It's 8-foot ceilings, and once again, it continues with the 24 by 48 tiles. Oh wow, look at the lighting. Wow. You got 12 lights up there. That wall is beautiful. The LED lighting backlit, that is nice. There's plenty of natural light in this room with the windows, oversized windows. And take a look over here. It's the bar area. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is beautiful. I really like this. I really, really like this. Actually, I can see myself living in something like this. Let me know if you can see yourself living in something like this as well. So that actually concludes the tour of this home. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed it. And if you'd like any additional information on this home, or if you'd like to schedule a private home showing, please feel free to reach out to me. So until next time, I am Jaden, and I'm helping you find your way home. Take care.